Today we are going to solve the trigonometric identities lecture 2. Okay, now we are going to solve the first problem, in which what is given here, tan theta plus sec theta, okay, minus 1 upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 is given. Okay, now in this case here it is 1 is given. Okay, now I can substitute the 1 by which identity I already told in lecture number 1. Okay, now this can be written as sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, you know this identity. Don't disturb to denominator, keep the denominator as it is. Now in this identity I can put here a square minus b square and theta plus sec theta. Okay, now minus, here I am writing sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Can I write down like this? Okay, now denominator will remain the same, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay, now I can take out tan theta plus sec theta common. So here I am getting tan theta plus sec theta. I am taking out common. What will remain here? Here is no term will remain in. I will write down here 1 and minus sign is there and this bracket is there. So I can change the sign of this bracket. Okay, now I can write down the denominator here so that you can observe the numerator of this term and this term are equal. So I can cancel this term. So what will come here? Tan theta plus sec theta is given. But in the RHS 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta is given. So change tan theta you already know and I already told you, convert all ratio in sin and cos form. Okay, now I am writing sec theta is equal to 1 same. So this will be sin theta plus 1, that is equal to RHS. Okay, this is very important sum. Now we are going to solve the second problem. In the second problem it is given cot theta plus cosec theta, okay, minus 1 upon cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Here also I can change 1 or substitute 1. So what will come here? Cot theta plus cosec theta minus, I can write down here cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Okay, denominator will remain the same. Okay, now I can apply a square minus b square. So okay, minus, here I am writing cosec theta plus cot theta and cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay, now so that I can take out common. Both the problems are of the same method. So I am taking in the continuation this problem so that you can understand this problem. Now I am taking common. Okay, I am taking common. What will remain here? Again 1 I am writing, minus sign, change the sign, cosec theta plus cot theta. This is similar to your denominator. Okay, when you compare this one, so these are equal. So I can cancel this with this. So what will come here? Cot theta plus cosec theta will come here. Okay, both the terms are equal. So this term will get cancelled with this term. Okay, now here is also required 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. Again I will change this in the sin and cos form. I know cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Cosec theta is written as 1 upon sin theta. denominator are equal, so I can write down here sin theta, and my numerator will come to be cos theta plus 1, that is equal to RHS, which is the required answer for the given problem. Okay, so we are going to solve the third problem. In the third problem, what is given? 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Okay, and in the second bracket it is given in 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. Okay, now this problem is asked in 2008. So first is convert all ratio in sine and cos. So cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sine theta minus 1 upon sine theta. Can I write down like this? Now in the second bracket 1 plus sine theta upon cos theta plus sec theta written as 1 upon cos theta. Now I will take the LCM. What will come here? Sine theta plus cos theta. Okay, this will remain the same, minus 1 will remain the same, and will come here sine theta. Okay, now when I will take here LCM, what will come here? Cos theta will get here, plus sine theta will remain the same, plus 1 will remain the same, and cos theta. Okay, now when we observe the numerator of both the terms, these terms are equal. Here the minus 1 is there, plus 1 is there, means a minus b, a plus b. So this can be written as sin theta plus cos theta the whole square minus 1 square upon what will come here. And open this bracket by applying the identity. What I will get? Sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. Okay, minus 1. Okay, upon sin theta cos theta. Okay, now you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is already 1, and this minus 1 will get cancelled with this. What will remain here? 2 sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Okay, now this cos theta will go, sin theta will go. What will remain here? 2, that is your RHS. Okay, now we are going to fourth problem. Up tan A is given plus, okay, now sin A upon 1 minus cot A is given. Okay, now in this problem is asked in 2000 and 2007, very important sum. Okay, now I will change here tan A and cot A in the form of sin upon cos, cos upon sin. Okay, first step is this 1 minus cos A. Okay, now here what will come here? Sin A 1 minus cos A upon sin A. Now I can take the LCM in the denominator. Okay, what will come here? Cos A upon cos A minus sin A. Okay, upon cos A upon 1 minus sin A minus cos A upon sin A. What will come here? Now this cos will go here and sin will go here. So what will come here? Cos square A upon cos A minus sin A plus sin square A upon sin A minus cos A. Okay, here when we observe the cos A minus sin A, here sin A minus cos A, so I can change the sign of this is minus and write down this as cos A the denominator, so the term gets interchanged. Okay, now cos square A upon cos A minus sin A. Now my denominators are equal, so I can write down here cos A minus sin A. Okay, now cos square A minus sin square A. Now again I am applying the formula a square minus b square in the numerator, so that I will get cos a plus sin a, okay, then cos a minus sin a upon what I am getting, cos a minus sin a. This bracket will get cancelled, okay, then what will remain here, cos a plus sin a, okay. This is your RHS and the required answer for the given problem. You understand this one? Very important. Yes, in 2000 and 2007 two times, okay. Now we are going to solve the fifth problem. Now we are going to solve the fifth problem, in which given sin cube theta plus cos cube theta, okay, upon sin theta plus cos theta is given, plus sin theta plus cos theta is given, okay. Now you already know a cube plus b cube formula. What is the formula? This is already you studied in 9th standard. What is the formula for this? Is a plus b, okay, a square minus ab plus b square, okay. Now I am applying this formula here. So what will come here? Sin theta plus cos theta, okay. Now here a square sin square theta minus sin, okay, upon sin theta plus cos theta, okay, plus here what is given, sin theta plus cos theta. I can write down in the denominator 1, so I can cancel this one, okay. Now what will come here? Sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta, plus this is sin theta into cos theta, okay, into cos theta is given, not plus is given, here into is given, okay. Now you know that this will get cancelled with this, so what will remain here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta will remain, and you must know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is your required answer. For this problem you must know the formula which you already studied in 9th standard. Apply this formula and solve, you will get the marks, okay. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 is given, and in the denominator sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is given. Now in this type of problem, okay, I divide this term, whole term, numerator and denominator by this term, okay. The term which is negative in the numerator must be divided to each term. So I will divide cos theta by 2 numerator and denominator, okay. Now what will come here? Sin theta upon cos theta minus cos theta upon cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon cos theta minus 1 upon cos theta, okay. Now what will come here? It is tan theta, okay. 1 upon cos theta means sec theta. Now here I am writing 1, okay. Now this will be tan theta, this is minus sec theta plus 1, and I have already told in first problem, this is similar to the first problem, okay. Now you can substitute this one by tan square sec square theta minus tan square theta, okay. The same procedure you have to follow in this problem, okay. How to convert this problem? Only observe the negative term in the numerator and divide all the term by that term. You will get the type of this problem, okay, like this or like this, okay. Tan theta plus sec theta minus, I am writing here sec square theta minus tan square theta, okay. You understand this one? Numerator will remain, denominator will remain the same, no change in the denominator. Okay. Now this can be written as a square minus a plus b, a minus b. So I can take out common here. So okay, taken out common. What will remain here? 1 will remain here. Now change the sign. Sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, will remain the same. Solution is there. So I am taking directly tan theta minus sec theta. Bracket will get cancelled with this one. What will remain here? Tan theta plus sec theta is given. But in the RHS, what is to be given? Is RHS is given is this one. So I can rationalize this. Okay. Now RHS can be solved by rationalizing the denominator. Can I multiply this by sec theta plus tan theta? Okay. Now this will be sec theta plus tan theta. Then theta plus tan theta. Okay. Now my denominator will be, what will come here? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. And what is the value of sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Already told you. So this is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. In some problem you have to solve numerator LHS also and RHS also. Okay. From this 1 and this is 2. So 1 is equal to 2, hence proved. Okay. You understand this one? This is also very important for 4-mark problem. First, concentrate on the negative sign, then divide, convert it into the form of tan and or cot, then apply, change 1 to sec square minus tan square theta, then apply a plus b, a minus b, take out the common and solve this one. Okay.